Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Rudolph Horak. I'm here to help you do stuff and things. Today's topic is the Bose soundbar setup. I'll walk you through some of the stuff that I did, and most important, I'll walk you through the app. This is one of the reasons that our setup looks kind of strange today, as what you'll see in the sound in the way you're seeing this video. But anyway, here's what I did. I purchased the Smart Soundbar 300. That's the setup. I have a great video on how to get that going, but the app is kind of what we're going to concentrate on. And then I had a choice between the 500 and the 700. You can call this a woofer, subwoofer, bass, whatever you want to call it. I chose the glass top one, the 700. I thought the sound was a little bit nicer. I guess first thing we want to look at here is what's available out there and what you should pick. So, kind of going through my video here. I'm going to pull up what's available here. So my first intention when I was buying this was I want to buy the Bose TV speaker. Bose is a great name when it comes to speaker sounds. I thought they were a reputable brand, and I saw some pretty good videos on YouTube about this particular soundbar. First I was like, why do you need a soundbar? Well, the TV sounds much better with a soundbar than the default TV speakers that it comes with. So I said Bose TV speaker. Reviews were good. $229 seemed to be like a pretty decent price. I went up there, fired up, and I was very, very disappointed in what I saw. This is a top seller. I don't know why. I don't know how Bose could have put their name on this when compared to the other two products. I was actually pretty disappointed in this one. My channel is not monetary by anybody, so I get to express my opinion about the products that I buy with my own cash with no support whatsoever. The product I went with is the Bose SmartBar 300. It retails for $499. A pretty good size soundbar. Thought it came with a lot of good features, and I felt that it was just the right length, just the right size. Pretty solid machine. You can see that on some of my other videos. The next step up here would be the 900. I thought this was a little too much. This retails for $799 versus the other one for $499. The big difference here are the speakers here on the top. This moves the sound up into the ceiling, gives you more of a surround sound. The option that I was actually looking at was the black one. So, got the soundbar. I was pretty happy with it. Now, what am I going to do with this? I want a little bit more. I love music, and I love to have a nice sounding movie or a concert, because I own a lot of concert DVDs and I listen to a lot of shows. So I wanted that warm, bassy sound. So I started looking around, and here's something I recommend to save some money here. As I said, I would recommend going to a store to see the stuff set up as it sounds to your ears and to your liking. The options here you can choose are the bass module 500 and the 700. You can read the specs for yourself here on what the difference is. One thing I do recommend to save some money is you can get them refurbished from Bose themselves. This was the product that was refurbished, and I'm very, very happy with it. Here it is again. This one's got a nice glass top. Excuse the mess on the floor here. And like I said, the soundbar to go with it. So, today's main topic is let's talk about how to set this sucker up. So, for now, I'm going to unplug this, and we're going to set this thing up here. So, first thing that's a little bit misleading is this is the app that you want. You can go to the Apple Store, or you can go to any of the Apple Store, I guess that, and the Google Store for this app. The one you want for this specific setup is Bose Music. I already have this set up, so we're just going to open it up. Okay, then we're going to select set up a new product. We're doing speakers and soundbars. To say I'm not a huge fan of this app, and I will show you why. This is one of the main reasons I'm making this video, because I do want to make things easier to help you do stuff and things, and this is one of the frustrating things that I ran across with this product. The black screen, that's just my camera here. We'll get that out of the way. So we're going to add the 300 is what I found. I'm calling my setup Rude Dog Sound. And there it is, Rude Dog Sound, activating the product. Rude Dog Sound is found. Now we're going to name it. I already have some stuff in here, so we're going to save here, the name, and I do want to do sharing with this product, so I'm going to go ahead and hit yes up here. You have your options here for Spotify, music, Desert, Heart Radio, Pandora, Cyrus. I'm not doing any of that stuff, so I'm skipping this item. And voila, setup is complete. Let's take a look at what we got here. Let's get this thing started. So, right out of the box, here's the problem. You would think that to add an additional speaker like our subwoofer over here, you would do the audio. Sorry, let's try that again. You would do group, and you would do connect new. If you do this, it'll sit here and spin and spin and spin, and nothing will ever happen. This is not a good thing. So here's the way you do this. We'll go through setting your settings first, and then we'll talk about adding the subwoofer to your setup. First thing you want to do here is you can do the audio, and you can look at the setup. These are left over from my stuff last time. Let me see if I can get my camera back up here. May not want to work, that's okay. Okay, so wall EQ, that means if the bar is mounted to the wall, it compensates for that. Dialogue mode, if there's a lot of talking and stuff on TV shows like mine, I have that activated. The sound bars have a center speaker, it has bass, so this is how you adjust those settings. These are my preferred settings. Everybody might have their own, again, based on how you like your stuff to sound. You can do delay, sync, all that good stuff in here. And you can play with these settings to kind of figure out what sounds best to your ears. That's what it's all about. It's the sound that makes you happy with your music and your movies that you're listening to. Okay, so you would think that, like I said, you would go into groups and you would add. To add the subwoofer, first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and plug it back in, which is what we're doing. And unfortunately, I can't make this video without getting disrupted, because if I turn on Do Not Disturb settings, the stuff will not work for me. So, let's see if I can get this stuff working again here. Get my camera out so I can show you. That's definitely not what we wanted. That's okay, Ruby's learning how to work with this device. My apologies. Okay. So, you want to hit settings here. Please don't critique my terrible first day with this new app here. Okay, let's do this again here. Settings. Like I said, one of the things that I don't like about this app is just that. Some of it is caused by the weather, and some of it's caused by the fact that we have some issues here. What you want to do is you can add in all your assistant stuff, your product name, your sync. You can get some good support here. I got the optical auto wake, so when I turn on my TV, this thing comes along with it. That's the power sync with it. The voice assistant, you can go through, you can set up your Chrome built-in, all that good stuff. You can do your product name here again, which is Rude Dog Sound. We did this. And then accessory speakers. Add Bose accessory speakers. The light on the bass subwoofer is blinking orange, and that's the way it should be. If I can get the video up here to show you this, we'll try this, see if this works for us. Doesn't want to do it. That's okay. No problem. We'll continue without it. So add bass accessory speakers. Losing mind here, right? Let's try this again. Sorry again. And get your accessory speakers ready. Continue. If you did it the other way, you'd be sitting here and sitting here and sitting here, and nothing would happen. Now the orange light, you can't see it here, but it's actually strobing. And I just brought it online. I did test this prior to making this video. We may go back and do this one more time. Here we go. Here's our bass module 700. All set. This is the product we wanted. There's a nice bass sound. Now, if you take it out, you can go remove here. Also, if you want to remove the whole thing, I'll show you how to do that as well. If you want to remove the items, we're going to go into settings. Like I said, this is just a terrible setup here. Let's go to show you all the settings now that you've gained with the speaker here. Audio. Now that's your soundbar settings, and now you have the subwoofer settings here also. Get to know this app with it. That's the best way. Like I said, this is a little bit frustrating. You can do the naming here again, and I'm looking for our product thing in here. Let's see if I can get out of this and step out. Is that going to close the app? Yes, it will. Yeah, so if you go to the very, very top of the menu here and you reopen the app, here's how you delete everything. You go to your profile, which you have to create. This is mine. And you go to Manage Products. You can do Edit, change Edit to Delete. And if you click on that and confirm it, your products will disappear. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Again, I am so sorry for the little bit of chaos with this this new app here that I'm using. There was really no other way to present this material without, at least that I could think of. I'm here to help you do stuff and things, so please let me know what you thought of the video. If you have any questions or issues, or you want to talk about this product line, please let me know. And until next time, take care. The next video should be mattress. Until next time, take care.